All right, let's go. Okay, let's go. Yeah, sounds on nicely as well. Wicked. Let's have this, son. Let me sort my screens out. All right, let's see if sound's working. Sound check. Everything seems to be working okay. All right, guys, who we got trading with us right now? One second, the comments are not coming in. Yo, if you're gonna keep fucking spamming my feed like that, I'm just gonna block you and delete you, bro. Look at this Miho. Fuck off, man. You're all getting blocked. You're getting blocked, bitch. There you go. Is my sound okay? Can you guys hear me? Gold Bull, you're fucking annoying as well. Get lost. It's like, for fuck's sake, nobody wants to buy your fucking shit signals. God damn. Need to eat my fruit to keep my anger under control. Fresh, cold apples. All right, let's go. Who's currently trading with us right now? We had a massive bull run this morning, and then price dropped big time. Bam. Like down here. Who's caught any of those moves? Either to the upside or the downside. Who's caught those moves? Let's go, guys. Just keep dropping your comments in the comment section. We trade every single day. 8:30 a.m. GMT to 10 a.m. GMT London session. And then we do pre-New York session. So that's, yo, another fucking signal. Mate, fuck off. No one cares about your signals, bro. Yeah, seriously, no one cares about the signals. But yeah, and then we come back on again 12 p.m. GMT London session, but pre-New York session. So 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. GMT London session, and then pre-New York session 12 p.m. till around 1 or 2 p.m. depending on what the market's moving like and seeing if we can catch a trade or not. And then we have loads of people just comment. Beginners comment, advanced traders comment, experts comment, and then we have learner traders and a bit of everybody. Look, trading Mala, fuck you. I've had enough. Block count. If you're running in losses. No, bro, we're not running in losses. We're running in profits, motherfucker. These signal guys, they just take your money, man. They make you trade on their platform, and then they take commissions whether you win or lose. So that's why you should never buy signals, guys. Signal guys love jumping on. Gold, Ava, you're gonna get blocked, man. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not even sorry. Fuck you. Pussy all. Yeah, guys, so that's what's happening at the moment. So who's caught a trade to the upside this morning, or later on in the day, later on still this morning, but around about 11 a.m. market started dropping again? Who caught any of those trades when the market started dropping? There'll be quite a lot of people trading and chatting soon. Goldmaster, you're an asshole. Nobody likes you, so you're blocked. Caleb, are you trading NQ? Yes, Caleb, I'm trading Nasdaq every single day, Monday to Friday. Elvin, Mia made 12k on that move. God damn. would you like to explain to us the 12k that you made, Elvin? Where did you enter? What was your lot size or your contract size? And are you trading futures, prop firms, or is it a personal account? If you could just let us know. Thank you, that'd be great. Caleb, I caught the NQ sell earlier. Well done, Caleb. You done well. That was a good sell-off. Great place to sell. Now market's just chopping around. Just bear with me, guys. I just need to log in on TradeAway. Can't do it on this screen because you're going to see my passwords. Might start trading my prop firm accounts for me. Here we go. We're back in the game. Caleb, what you think is going to happen now? Caleb, right now, at this moment, I really don't know. Thank you very much, Source Trading. Thank you very much for following. I don't know. Price is just chopping sideways right now. To make it more. Thank you very much, Elvin. Thank you so much. So on the 5 minute, look, this is what it looks like. You can't really say what is actually price gonna do in this area, can you? So like, it's a bit shit. But we're waiting for a setup. Either way, we're waiting for a setup. And when one shows, I can either let you know or I can get into the trade myself. I trade a live account and I top tick the move down full TP in around 7 minutes. Oh my god. I trade using a spread betting account as I'm in the UK. Yo, Elvin, my brother. Caleb, you're right, too choppy. Yeah, just wait for price to do something. There was a lot of liquidity in this area. I don't know if it's come to just sweep people out and then continue up. But thank you very much, Fierce. But we will only be able to tell when price starts moving and it actually does something. So currently we are just waiting. Because there's a big massive fair value gap here. You don't know if price is going to balance itself out here and continue pushing down and break structure to the downside, or right now we're catching some buys or getting some liquidity from this sell-off down here. We don't know. For buys, we don't know. Mr. Narcos, I learned how to block people. I was waiting for you. There you go. Now it's NQ. The Ola, the gold. Oh, is this gold? No, it's NQ, Ola. Sorry. Jeffrey, where do you see the price? I see the price has been... I see the price has been consolidating here. And it's moving sideways on the 5 minute time frame. And then on the 1 minute time frame, it's been very choppy. Still moving sideways. And right now we're getting very weak candles. I don't know what it's doing right now. I'm waiting, Jeffrey. Bobby, what you saying? You good, bro? Yes, Bobby 187. I'm good. Thank you very much. How are you doing? And are you trading with us? Why do these motherfucking signal sellers come on in the afternoon? In the morning, you bastards don't bother me. In the evening, all you motherfuckers, I'm trying to chat to my people and they just keep getting signal. Fuck off. It's Oliver. NQ will sweep the liquidity below and tap the 5 minutes demand zone to push to the upside. Oliver, you could be right. You could be right. I'm buying Nasdaq. Okay. Well done. There was an excellent buy this morning. I'm not sure if anybody's caught this, but in the morning, all the guys that were with me this morning, oh my god, 47 people watching us live right now. This morning, a lot of people that were with me, every single person caught this buy except for me. because I was faffing around with my copy trading accounts. Then I seen this sell-off. I actually said an entry here, but then I didn't take the entry because I felt to myself I was just forcing a trade where I didn't need to. So yeah, I've just been waiting. Yak, how you doing, Yak? It's Oliver. Okay. Oh, thank you very much, Mawanda Norman. Thank you very much. Jeffrey, I'm buying Nasdaq. Okay. Bro, yeah, bro, we traded. Nice one. What we getting ready for? I'm not sure at the moment. We've missed a massive buy and we've missed a huge sell-off right now. So I'm not actually rushing into a trade. I'm waiting to see if I can get some sort of... Let me remove this purple line because that's going to confuse people. Olive, thank you very much, Evie. Evie, thank you very much for following. All right, so what we got right now is we have had a massive push to the downside. Yeah, that retraced it. It retraced but couldn't retrace above 50%. Patience is the key, my brother. Retraced again and now retraced again. So this area here where price has tagged into many times possibly could be another sell-off, possibly. But you got this whole area here. If I just mark this area out, 1 second, I'll put it in red so everyone can see it, because that's a sell-off zone. If price comes into that area, there's a very big chance it may sell off again. But also this line here, the red line, the top red line, not the bottom, that can also be another sell-off zone. So guys, just wait patiently and then see what price is doing. 78, fucking hell, 74 people watching us online. Guys, just remember, we trade. Nikki Sidner, thank you very much for following. Guys, I was just saying that we trade every single day, Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. GMT. Gatho, thank you very much for following. 8:30 a.m. GMT to 10 a.m. GMT London session. And then we have a 2-hour break and then we come back on again. Pre-New York session. STU R10. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Christian Jacob. Yeah, we come back on again at 12. Thank you very much, Miley. We come back on again around... Oh, thank you very much, Rich Guy. What the fuck is going on? Yeah, we come back... Oh my God, US. Thanks so much for following. But we come back on again about 12 p.m. GMT to about 1 or 2 p.m. GMT. But that's pre-New York session. So that's... Teddy, thank you very much for following. That's about 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So guys, yeah, just be careful from these areas down here. These are the zones that there could be a possible sell-off. Had this whole zone gets mitigated, then we're looking for buys again. But we have slightly broken structure to the downside from the last move. Not majorly, slightly. Yak, fib settings. Fib settings, all you need is on the fib settings. Mine is just got a bit extra settings. I did give the settings the other day. I will give them again later on today. But all you need on the Fibonacci retracement tool, you need the high from the swing high, you need the swing low. And in between, you just need that 50% line. Yeah, once price comes into a discount zone under the 50%, you know it's a discount zone. If price goes above the 50% area, thank you very much for following, Zono Kerbo. If the price goes above the 50% zone and you're in a sell-off area, you know that's a premium zone to sell off from. But you need to have your confluences of, you can't just wait for price to go above. If there's a sell-off, you can't just wait for price to go above 50% and then just sell off. You need to look to the left of what's happening on the charts, find a confluence, find some confluences, and find an area of interest where price is definitely looking like it's going to sell off. That's when you take a sell-off. Guys, we got 60 of us. Wow, I can't believe we had about 74 people with us. That was absolutely amazing, guys. Okay, yeah, so I was saying price is gonna start doing some weird shit down here. Just keep an eye on it. Let me just close this, because currently I was trading yesterday I was trading 3 funded accounts, which got blown because instead of putting on 3 micros, I put on 3 minis. And it blasted my account because instead of closing the actual trade, I closed the stop loss, and price tapped into the stop loss, and it was so oversized and I was so pissed off. So then we ended up getting some more challenges. But then this morning, the guy said to me, Yahabagati at Yaz. Yes, brother, good, you in the longs. Bro, not yet, not in the longs. I'm waiting for this area to see what's happening, because this is where we've had a massive sell-off. So we have come back into the same area again where price started pushing up from previous this morning, but I'm thinking that whole area is mitigated, so I'm waiting at the moment. Yeah, guys, so yeah, look, because you see some sell-off and some weird shit happening, so you got to be very careful. Before I start explaining other things, let me just take you onto the economic calendar and let's see what's happening in the news before people start blowing their accounts. Okay, guys, we've had nothing this morning. We've been good to trade. You can see we've just had orange folder news events and yellow folder news events. 2:45 p.m. global manufacturing S&P 500 is going to have news. 2:45 p.m. GMT time, so that's going to be around 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, just make sure you look at the news in your own area. I use fxstreet.com, but that's because of this layout. I like the way it looks. You can read which news it is, and it's got the colors on the side, but many people use forexfactory.com. Thank you very much for following. So many people use forexfactory.com, so it is exactly the same. I just like the layout of fxstreet.com. And remember, guys, if you're trading prop firms, if you're on the funded stage 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, and within that news event, do not trade. You got one at 4 p.m. And if you're on a challenge phase, then maybe they allow news event trading. And if you're on a personal account, just make sure you don't overtrade, you don't oversize, you don't over leverage, and you're using a stop loss. Protect your capital at all times. That's the aim of this game. Thank you very much. Zen Peace is back. Thank you very much, Zen Peace. How you doing? We missed you this morning, Zen Peace. Yes. Okay, the orb was clean, bro. That's my model. Oh, you do the opening range breakout. We'll talk about that in a minute. Exotic reptiles. Remember that sell I told you about before you left? Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. We remember the sell-off. I had already entered a sell here, but I didn't actually take the full trade. I'm still in till 300 more pips. Oh, wicked. So you're still waiting for this whole sell-off to keep pushing down, yeah? That's exotic reptiles. Zen Peace, thank you so much, Zen Peace. Exotic reptiles. What do you use for the news? I use fxstreet.com. Absolutely brilliant website. So let me just show you how to quickly use it. So simple, so easy, but it's nice to just show people. Yeah, so once you get onto that website, fxstreet.com, you just click on economic, or hover over economic. Don't click on it, and then use hover over economic calendar just down here, and you just click on that. So hover over economic calendar and then click on economic calendar, and then it tells you all the news. And then wherever you guys are in the country, you just click on this on the right hand side and you can choose your country from there. And then many people use forexfactory.com. That is also another brilliant website, but I just like the layout of fxstreet.com. Trade with ICT. You are going to be blocked because we don't do signals. I'm very sorry. No, I'm not sorry. Fuck out. Miss Daddy. What do you call it where you get the news? fxstreet.com or forexfactory.com. Basically, it's called fundamentals. It's the fundamentals. But if you want to know where to find the fundamentals, it's fxstreet.com or forexfactory.com. Guys, we're going to have our Discord open on Monday. Zen Peace, thank you for the rose. Remember, guys, if you're waiting for your trade to play out, eat some fruit, detox, have a detox movie, drink something that keep your mind active. Don't eat shit when you're trading. Don't drink shit when you're trading. You need to be on the ball because this game is about patience. You need to make sure you're patient at all times when you're trading. Because it's boring. So you gotta remember, like, because it's boring, that's why I've got this community so I can just chat to everybody as well. But wicked buy and sell moves in London this morning. Absolutely brilliant. Right now, prices starting to slow down. It's just chopping around. WIC strategy. Sorry, Mr. Surplus. What do you mean by WIC? I'm not quite sure of that. I'm not sure what you mean by that term, WIC. Because I used to say work. WIC at work used to be like working in conjunction. Oh, you asking me what strategy do I use? Which strategy? Dalveer Singh, thank you very much for following. Mr. Surplus, I use my own strategy. It's my own blueprint I made over the years. Yeah, chop now until New York Open. I think then boom, big volatility spike to my take profit. Please, lol. Where's your take profit? Where did you enter and where is your take profit right now? Let's measure it out. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's going on with your trade. Yes, that'd be nice. Are you in for a buy or a sell? Can you teach me, please? Bro, I can teach you. I can give you my strategy. I can give you all the knowledge right now, this second, but you still wouldn't be able to execute the trade in real time. So the best thing to do is go out and research. Research all the free information as possible. If you struggle, then I do have a masterclass, but that's chargeable. But other than that, we got free information left, right, center, everywhere. Even trading with me live like this every day is free. London highs, bro. I'm in from 29260. Tears to testimony. Thank you very much for following. 29260. So you were in about here. So you're in from 29260. So you're in from here. And you're looking for a 1 to 3. And where's your profit target? Yak has shorted at 280. Mr. Surplus, thank you, sir. Mr. Surplus. Yes. That's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say just follow and just trade along free. Absorb as much free information as you can. DIFFF. Thank you very much. Yes, need a candle close above 29304. 29304. Okay, yeah. But then that's why I was saying that this area here where you've traded is good. If price goes up and gives you what you want, that's going to be absolutely brilliant. But the thing is, Jolie, we don't want to, so I'm gonna have to block you. I'm very sorry. We don't do signals. Yeah, so it is a zone where we've had a few sell-offs here, but that's not to say, look at this rejection wick might say it all, or price might keep coming back into it. So that's the reason I'm waiting. I can't see a setup for myself. I've not got an A+ setup. So Surplus, what you need is you need some sort of education. Just free education will do, and then you need to start watching the charts. Then you need to find a pair that you like. So it might be Nasdaq, S&P 500. You might want to do commodities. You might want to do forex. You might want to do stocks. So it all depends. And then you need to find yeah, I agree, bro. It's my model, mate. Same repeatable day in, day out. Well done, man. Well done. That's it. You just got to stick to your model. Thank you very much, Zen Peace. Then you got to find out if you want to be a day trader, scalper, swing trader, intraday trader and you have to, an investor, but you have to look at your lifestyle, how you feel, which works best for you. Can you stay on the charts all day? Can you stay on the charts for a few hours? Do you want to be in and out of the charts fast as that? So it all depends. It all depends. And learning trading is a long process, but once you get it, you get it. Guys, if everybody wants to hit the share button, that'd be absolutely brilliant for me, because then more people can join our live. And everybody, if you're sitting here watching and you want to learn about trading, drop a message in the comment section. We can chat about it. Everybody here is friendly. You should see in the mornings, everybody's joining in on the chat. I don't even get a breather. I can't even enter a trade. So many people are chatting in the mornings. That's it. We still got the music, guys. Dalvis Singh, how long have you been trading? Yes, I can't have emotion, bro. Set up, enter it, let it play out, go on, break even. 1-5, then partials at 2.0. Yeah, that's good. So do you do... Yeah, I know what you mean. I don't like emotion in trading. Emotion in trading is the worst. Some people just completely do the set and forget. They put the trade on and just forget about it. And then they're like, nah, we don't want to now. We don't want to look at the screens. We just want to see if we come back to the chart. We want to see if we're stopped out or if our profit target's been hit. HM Kellens, God, thank you very much. Thank you very much for following. What I needed to do, I need to, thank you very much. J Neil 86, thank you very much for following. What I needed to do, I need to go on my chat settings, general, allow comments, allow gifts, activities, yeah. Show gifts in combo. Show the total gift count when a viewer sends a multiple of the same gift. Yeah, you don't mind that, but show messages for... That's not what I want. Yes, okay. Yeah, agreed, bro. It's my model, mate. Repeatable. Yep. Either take profit or stop loss. What it is, yep, that's right. It's not your money on prop until in your account, so why get emotional is what it is. Yeah, that's true. That's what I was like yesterday when I bombed my accounts. Even though it weren't a proper trade that I was putting on, and I just oversized accidentally because I put on a mini instead of a micro, and then I bombed the accounts out because I bloody closed a stop loss and not the trade. I thought to myself, fuck it, it don't matter. There were 3 funded accounts as well. I just thought to myself, do you know what? I'll just get the funded accounts again. And then I got the 25Ks again. And then earlier on this morning, one of the guys was like, why don't you just trade the 50Ks? And I knew the 25Ks make more sense for me, but I parked all my 25Ks on one side, and I've got 5 25Ks challenges now, and I've got 2 50K challenges. So I'm doing the 50Ks ones right now. So yeah, until the money's not in your pocket, there's no point in crying about it. Thank you very much, Zen Peace. If this hits TP, they will be me done for the day. One and done. If stop loss might look during New York open range breakout. I've gone up $600 to $800 3 times in the last week. I gotta take my profits and start ending my day at 500 up. Yeah, I'm trying to get you hearts and gifts. Thank you very much, Zen. You don't have to, but it's nice you're showing the love and support. But honestly, you don't have to send me gifts. Mine is just trading. I'm just want to give out as much free information to everyone as I can, and I don't mind everyone just jumping on trading with me. Yeah. But Zen, are you trading today right now? Kibi, thank you very much for following, Kibi. Huh. Zen Peace, no, I'm sorry. I meant like you when it comes to, I want to get like you when it comes to trading. The gifts are always going to come off. Thank you very much. Absolutely appreciate it. You won't get like me. You'll build yourself with experience and you will be better than me. I will always trade how I trade. You will build yourself into a trader you want to be, and you will be amazing. Thank you very much, Zempies. Guys, if everybody can just share the live, that'd be amazing, because we're in a chop right now and the markets ain't really doing shit. So we're just waiting. Zempi's smashing it. All right, let's see these settings. Enhance, effects, atmosphere, pillars, background, appearance, general. Yeah, that's weird. E, holy pink candles. Yeah, pink candles. You can change them like this as well if you want. Like, just go to style. Guys, if you ever, any of you want to know how to change candles, that's bringing up the trading session. Sorry, so if I just pull that out, there you go. Change them to any color you want. You can have blue, blue and black, blue and gray, green, go back original, green and red. I do purple sometimes. I do like purple. Right now we just want to be pink for now. Pink is the new green. Yes, like orange is the new black. Pink is the new green. Before, blue was the new green. Then for me it was purple was the new green, and now for me it's pink is the new green. Zen Peace, thank you so much. Thank you for following. E, thank you for following. But still in a chop right now, but I don't know what's going on. So Yaz, where are you in the trade at there? Masterclass, laugh my ass off. Potter stocks trading, let's go. It's all free here, mate. It's all free. Just carry on, it's all free, man. If you want to join us, join us. Potter stocks trading. How long have you been trading? Is Potter's left us, or is he still here? Dalveer Singh, I can see you're still with us. Where are you from, my friend? Where are you from? Are you from Punjab, India? Or you living elsewhere? Red Star Travels, thank you for joining. Can you get us any discounts? Alright, so it's dying off right now. Markets are shit right now. Very choppy. The music's still going. Yeah, the music's still going. Nice. 400811. Are you trading at the moment? Why is everyone so shy? Why is no one chatting right now? This morning London session was wild. Even starting off this session was wild, to be fair. We had about 70 to nearly 80 people watching us. The Zen piece. Yep, everyone's getting shy right now. Zen piece. Dropping the gifts again. Okay. Fisher Futures, bias on the day, man. Blew 5 accounts yesterday. Bro, I blew 3 accounts myself yesterday. So fucking pissed off. Right now, there is no bias because we've had a massive push up this morning. London session, as you can see here. Price pumped and then it dumped. And right now, we're in that price range where price is just chopping. I don't know if we're going to continue pumping, but we've got a few danger zones as well. So I'm waiting for price to get within and break out. Bad day yesterday. And yeah, do you use STDV? No, what is STDV? I'm not sure what that is. I'm waiting for 820 Comex. Oh, wicked. Yeah, I didn't blow the accounts because I was trading bad. Well, I was trading bad because I put on a stupid trade that I shouldn't have, with a very high lot size. I put on 3 minis instead of 3 micros at New York session when volatility was higher than usual and candles were moving a lot faster, and all it took is just 1 wick to wick me out of my trade. I closed my stop loss rather than closing my trade, and it bombed me out. So yeah, I made a big mistake yesterday. Not gonna do that again. Zen Peace, thank you very much for the likes. Yeah guys, we're still not getting no volume at the moment. And we've not got a bias right now, so let me have a look. 1 second. So if you go onto the higher time frames, we have broken structure to the downside, but from this demand zone we have kind of pushed up, but I don't know if price is going to come back down just to retest this area again and then give us the push up, or if it continues pushing up and then retraces from somewhere here and continues to the downside. So yeah, we're in a chop at the moment, so all I can do is sit and wait. I can't do anything right now. I just got to sit on my hands and not trade. So yeah, we're just waiting. We are just waiting still. I did say there'd be a possible sell-off, but so you could have got a nice 1-to-1 here, but I like to go for bigger trades, something like a 1-to-2, 1-to-3, 1-to-4. That's what I like to go for. I like to hold my trade longer. So that's why I'm like an intraday trader. So I'm trading in between scalping and day trading. That's where I sit. So I'm not a pure scalper and I'm not a full-on day trader. I'm an intraday trader. So my trade sometimes can be from a few minutes to 5, 10, 15 minutes. Sometimes to half an hour, but I don't really like waiting longer than that, unless I just think, fuck it, set and forget, and then just leave the charts and then just let price do whatever it's doing. If it comes back and stops me out in profit, that's fine. If it continues going up, that's also fine as well. So it all depends. Do 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 do. Zampies, how do you trade? Are you breakout, support, and demand trader? No, basically, I'm a market structure trader, Zampies. I follow market structure. I wait for price to go into my points of interest. Depending on if we're going up or down, I follow the market. And then on a higher time frame, so I mark out my points of interest. And then when price taps into the points of interest, I drop down to the lower time frames and look for an entry. So the lower time frames can be 5 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute, or the 1 minute. So yeah, that's how I trade. But then I know a lot of people don't like to trade in those times, especially the 1, 2, and 3 minutes, because thank you very much for the gifts. But I know a lot of people don't like to trade the 1 minute time frame because there's a lot of noise. So they like to avoid the noise and they like to see the market looking a bit more like this. So there's not a lot, but I like to trade. Thank you very much. I like to trade what's happening within every single of these candles. So like this is 10 minute. I want to know what's happening in the 10 minute. So when I zoom into the 10 minute, one 10 minute candle would be 10 1 minute candles. So one 10 minute candle would be 10 1 minute candles. That makes sense. Does that make sense, guys? If anyone's got any questions, now is the time. Thank you very much for following, Sweet Teal. I didn't catch that. So yeah, just drop the questions in, guys. Thank you so much, ZenP. Thank you. Yak, short potential looking up. Yeah, that's what I was looking at, Yak. I was thinking if price might come into these areas, it might keep dumping, but yeah. Come on then, we just set up a poll. Let's see what everyone's bias is right now. Yeah, possible sell-off, Yak. That's what I'm looking at, but I can't actually see what I'm trying to, where I'm trying to go with the market at the moment. Wow, thank you for the 412 likes. With my mouth full. If anyone's coming on my live, can you see a poll pop up on the screen? Austin Squire. Not, yeah, I am looking for a sell, but not at the moment. I need a clean entry. But thank you very much, Ariel Rodriguez. Thank you very much. Yeah, so I've put up a poll, but I don't know if you guys can even see it. When you reckon you're going to enter? I don't know. I've got to wait for a clean setup. I've not had any confirmation with like the way the market's moving. It's just currently moving sideways. So as soon as we see some clear entry, I'll take the trade. But right now, as of now, market's just moving shit. I can't actually see which way the market's going. One second, guys. Wow, thank you very much for following. AK Stories, thank you very much for following. Also, that's shit, isn't it, really? I've got a poll that I've started, but the poll pops up on the right hand side of the screen with a little timer on it. There's not really anything great. It doesn't pop up at the front of the screen like it does on YouTube on the chat. So guys, we trade every single day, 8:30 a.m. GMT to 10 a.m. GMT. Then we have a break and then we come on pre-New York session for an hour or two. So it's currently 1 o'clock. We've got a red folder news at 2:45 p.m. but I will be off the charts by then. Thank you very much, Lulz. Thank you very much, Louise Photo. Thank you. Louise Photo, thank you for the heart. Thank you so much. Hasta la vista. Yeah, you're getting fed up, innit? With the market, how it's moving. Very choppy, sideways. Shit price action right now. There's nothing to take. There are trades. People will be taking trades. But for me, there's literally nothing to take at the moment. Okay, my friend. Yeah, literally nothing. So this candle, look what it did. It pushed all the way down. And then it pushed all the way back up, leaving this rejection wick. A lot of people would have started entering buys here because it started moving up. Just reacted here and just kept pushing down. So it went into the direction where everyone thought it was going to go up. It just went down. So it stopped people out. AK Stories, price is in hour bullish FVG and it's tapping 5-minute bullish FVG multiple times. Yeah. So look, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, like AKR Stories is saying, it's here. See, like the only problem AK Stories I have with Ryan, I'm still in shorts from 29290. So you entered a short around about here. That's all right, isn't it? You're just waiting for price to dump then. So yeah, AK Stories, I know what you're saying about being in this I like how you did multi time frame analysis. So yeah, I know you're saying we're in this 1 hour fair value gap. You tried to break out the fair value gap, but it couldn't break out, and it came back and closed within that fair value gap. Price came in that fair value gap, broke within that fair value gap again, but it's just chopping sideways. It's not really doing anything. So yeah, I know what you mean. We're still stuck in that area. And then when you do drop down to the 5-minute time frame, like you said, Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. Okay, World Cup, yeah. One tapping 5-minute bullish FVG multiple times. Yeah, this one here. Same area from where price pumped up earlier this morning. Had a lot of stop losses in that area. So all these stop losses have been wiped out. But there may be more below it. Where because it didn't completely go to Asian session lows. It was very close to Asian session lows. But it didn't actually sweep it all. I'm still in shorts. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to hold through London and New York if my bias is right. Yeah, if your bias is right, then you're going to absolutely smash it. But 2920 292. Wait, where was you at? 29290. Okay, that's here. So where's your stop loss, Ryan? Where have you put your stop loss? Are you supposed to eat blueberries with a fork, bro? I have to tell my wife, alright, I'm supposed to eat blueberries with a fork, bro. Look what, eat it like that. Yo, these blueberries are too soft. I don't like it. Blueberries smashed. Apples smashed. We need to smash, take profit now. damn thing. Yeah, so AK stories. We're in this 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, that's being respected at the moment. Well, we're still within that fair value gap. But imagine if price pushes out of that fair value gap, you've got this 5-minute bearish fair value gap with a 5-minute yeah, my TP lol with my 5-minute supply zone as well, or an order block, whatever you want to call it, supply zone, order block, whatever you want. So I'm currently, I don't know which way market's gonna go, but when it does go, I'll try and find my entry. But for now, there's not much. There is not much, unless price pumps up till about here and then dumps. But right now, I've not got much to go with, so I'm just sitting on my hands. I'm not gonna do nothing to jeopardize my prop firm account. Yeah, I saw it on Nasdaq. We got a 15-minute bearish inverse there. Let's have a look. 15-minute. Yes, that's right. So this is being inversed. That's been inversed. This whole fucking area has been inversed. But on the way up, all that area had been inversed as well. So coming down, it was inversed as well. So will this area here be respected if price does come into this area? Will it be respected and price continues to push down? That's what I want to know. So yeah. So I'm just waiting. J47E. Thank you very much. Yo, man. London session was an absolute banger today. Because London session was so good, I'm not sure what New York session's gonna have. But London session was absolutely great today. Ryan, equal highs, tight stop loss. Mario, wiser, definitely caught the shorts. Yeah, man. Did you catch the shorts today? London swept Asia highs. Yeah, absolutely. That's when I knew. I was like, do you know what? Asian highs have been swept. Price pushed down so nicely. But the way price was pushing up, I was like, fuck, should I not? So then I didn't get into a trade for the sells. But for the sells, my trade was here. This is what area I was looking at. Let me just show you quickly. Short position. It was exactly there. But my stop loss would have been within that fair value gap. And I did target just that area. That would have been just me in and out 1 to 3 nicely. But look. Where price had fucking come down. Price came down to here. Right back down to London session. Fucking lows. And that's a 1 to 9. That would have been a 1 to 10. XAU USD. No one gives a fucking shit about your signals. There's no signal right now on fucking Nasdaq, is there? Dickhead. Get out of the way. Trying to just rob people's money. Hey. Stop thieving people's money. Fucking signal sellers. You're not going to be able to on my account. Because I tell them that you're dicks and not to buy your signals. So yeah, this was the banger to get. That was an absolute banger. But this was absolutely brilliant as well. Theta and Duna, thank you very much for following. Yeah, it was. It pushed up crazy because they wanted to take it. So watched it good. Yeah, man. And the thing is, I knew it. I knew what was happening. I could see it. I was talking about it and I didn't fucking take the trade. Proper dickhead. Lol, bro. It's true, man. Pisses me off. Thank you very much, Kwandoji. Right, man. I need to fucking figure out how to make things disappear on my screen. Neva 4X. Hi, Neva 4X. Guys, if you're interested... Oh, bitch ass. Look, Neva, we don't like swearing at people, but fuck off. So I have a community link in my bio. Fuck off, man. If you got a community, then try and build your own community. Chat to people. Do it yourself. Why are you fucking coming on my page and fucking up with my people and trying to sell them signals? They don't want signals. They want to know how to trade. Because when the signal seller disappears, my traders here still want to know how to fucking trade. And for that, they need to learn how to be patient as well. Mario Weiser, laugh my ass off. It's true. We range bound as fuck. Maybe expansion at 130 from Ryan. Yes. Ryan again. We range bound as fuck. Maybe expansion at 8:30 a.m. Ryan, where are you from? Which country? Are you from New York? You're American. UK, I'm from UK too. Do you trade New York session? That's why I said 13:30. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I missed that bit. Yeah. I read it, but it didn't register. Yeah, guys, so I did mention that price is going to tap into this area and we are going to have a slight push down, but the push down was not good enough. It's just like this. It's moving sideways. So I've not taken that. But if price keeps pushing down up till here, then I would have been like, okay, I should have taken that trade. Yeah, London and New York. Yeah, love it. Love it. That's the best thing about us being in UK, isn't it? Like, London session's absolutely brilliant. And then we get to catch the New York session as well. I love it. My stop is literally at your 50% grading. Is it? Damn. So your stop is at the 29290. Okay. So are you in a sell right now? Mario Weiser, yeah, during London, I'm usually sleeping because I'm in the US. Oh, wicked. Where in the US are you, Mario? And if you haven't already, give us a follow, then we can stay in touch. Well, I've got loads of people all around the world. I've got a lot of Europeans here as well. Every day in the morning, we have people from all over the world. Florida. Wow, what's the weather like and the lifestyle in Florida? Yeah, sell 4 MNQ. Oh, absolutely brilliant, Ryan. So imagine if your trade just keeps dumping, you'll be all right, man. Like in the 85 to 90 now, it's hot. Wow. That's so good. We're in summer here in the UK and it's raining. It's absolutely fucking freezing. We get nice, good hot days though, warmer than before. But brother, you live again. Surpass yourself. Yes, I'm live, my brother. How you doing? That's crazy. Laugh master. Yeah, it's crazy, man. We get some good weather sometimes. Now we'll have like our summer will be like a good 3 weeks of heat, and then it'll go back to fucking freezing cold again. Surpass yourself. Good man. Dang, the market looks chopped. Yeah, it was chopped. So guys, everybody that's here right now, thank you very much for following. Alessandrov. Surpass yourself was with us this morning, London session. We all have a right laugh. So loads of us just message in the group, just chat and trade at the same time. And everyone's trading their own styles, but we always like just dropping information and just chatting to each other, which is wicked. I'll absolutely love it. I'll follow you on my second account. You're a cool guy. Yeah, man. Mario Weiser, you're a cool guy too. You're a cool guy too. Anybody here that has guts to come up and just start chatting in the chat box is always a cool guy. So everyone, join in. I'll follow you on my second account. You're a cool guy. Because I only follow people I know on this account. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah. I've got a personal account as well, but I don't really follow many people on it. But because I chat so much shit, that personal account is now getting full with loads of random people as well. They just love me talking. Like, my wife brings me food in and I get excited. I'm like, what you made for me today? And then everyone started liking that. Yeah, that's on TikTok as well. Let's have a look. Shall I show you what that name might be? That one's under Bainstagram. BAINST4GRAM, something like that. Bainstagram. Surpass yourself. Remove the 3152. 3,500 followers. You're not a small guy, bro. Chase the highlight goals. Yeah. I mean, likes. Yeah, man. I was. Look at that. Like goals gone to 31,000. 31,496. Then I had, the other day, I had like Alejandro Toro. Thank you very much for the 100 likes. Mr. Arbitrage trading with $100. Can you make $5 to $12 daily with just Binance or Bybit account? I'm not sure what you're trying to say, but is Binance a broker that you add money to? With $100, yeah, you can definitely make £5-12 trading every day. Surpass yourself. Oh wait, never mind. I didn't look closely. I was reading likes instead of follows. Yeah. So that's the follow count. So we got 3,152 follows. We had 3,000 the other day, and then I just updated it to 3,500. I do 500 every time, and then the likes are down here, and they just fucking go wild sometimes. Oh, boys, here we go. TP1 hit. Well done, Ryan. Well done. Mahad, hi all. Mahad, how you doing? Welcome. I think the market will go bullish soon. Yeah, I was thinking that. I just can't figure out what it's trying to do right now. This is the one, we were saying earlier, this is the 1 hour fair value gap. But then just above that, we've got this 1 minute fucking fair value gap here. Mario Weiser, thank you very much for following, brother. I just follow on this account. Mario's like, fuck, I can't be off to change accounts. I just follow on this one. Mahad, gold, please. Collins Bennett, I'm spreading love to the first 10 people who message me bills. God bless you. Love you all. What the f? I don't want to message you. You don't even know who you are. God damn. Mahad, gold, please. Mahad, I've not been trading gold, but for you, we can have a look at gold and see what's going on. Same again, Mahad. We're just chopping sideways. Look at that. After the drop, same as what we had on the MNQ, price is just chopping sideways. Just chopping sideways. So, I'm not quite sure what it's doing. It might keep dropping further, but you need to do your technical analysis on that one. Exotic reptiles. Relax, bruh. It's shorts till 6. That's what you've been saying, isn't it? Just take small shorts until 6. Yes, that's right. Let's see. Mahad, thank you. Mahad, not much I can really analyze on gold. It's still doing exactly what MNQ is doing, just chopping like shit. If we get a full sell side, I'm done for today. Not gonna lie, not trading New York. Yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. If you hit your take profit, go fucking chill. You don't need to be waiting around on the charts. That's how you just give money back to the charts, if you're just sitting around on the charts. I'm almost going to be done here soon as well. I'm going to be like, fuck it. If I can't find nothing right now, we've done what we needed to do London session. I missed some fucking big boy trades in London session. So if I'm just doing this, I'm not even going to bother today. I'm just going to get off. Yeah, I'm good for the day. Mario Weiser. Mahad, I'm waiting, bro. Exotic reptiles. Look at the 4 hour. Nasty sell. Gonna come at around 3. Let's have a look at your 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. So we had big push down, we had a retracement, we had a push down, we had a retracement, we had a push down. Price started slowing down, chopping around. It started reversing, it's reversed up. retracement up, retracement up. It's chopping around with a big nasty candle here. Look, this one. Let's have a look at the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, even this is a 1 hour fair value gap and a fucking 1 minute fair value gap for a sell side. 30 minutes, it's a fair value gap in the 30 minutes as well. If price doesn't push up and break past this, I think this or just above it, there'll be some sort of supply zone or an order block, and price is gonna absolutely melt from that area. If this area gets mitigated, then okay, that's fine. Price will probably start going up. But right now, the way price is moving, I could just probably see it looking for a sell-off. Gold, man, you gotta go. It's a fucking mouse. Yeah. All right, Mara Wiser, I risked 300 to make 3k. Bro, that's absolutely fucking crazy. What was that? A 1 to fucking 30? Insane. Exotic reptiles. In stochastic, we trust, lol. I think we are nearly done with downtrend. Maybe next week or week after that we get a new all-time highs. You reckon? You reckon so? You reckon we're going to start pumping up again until we can create new all-time highs? Structure has been awful compared to the last week. Yeah. We've had some AlphaFX 7. We've had some good opportunities. Like, look, there's a wicked opportunity here this morning. Absolute brilliant opportunity here for a sell-off this morning again. So whoever got them areas there, they made an absolute killing. Bashi trades. What about if I sell now? Bashi trades, I can't give you financial advice. If you sell off, you sell off, but I say you should do your technical analysis and sell off at the right place. Don't just sell off for the hell of it, because it might be that price retraces back from here and then you're fucked. Surpass Bashi trades reason. Yeah, that's what I mean. Surpass yourself. You need a reason. Eki Homo, thank you very much for following. Exotic reptiles. I've been putting in opposite trades each Friday as soon as it shuts. Been smashing it. I would say sell if it breaks the structure. Yeah. Bashi trades. Don't just play it safe and stick to your strategy. That's right, everyone. Everybody here. Everybody watching live. We had 70 people earlier. I don't know where they gone. 76, 78. They probably got fed up with price action, because I know why people are dropping off, because price action. But whoever is left with us right now, look guys, I know I'm here like this and I'm trading, but you don't need to follow my strategy or exactly what I'm doing. Everybody follow your own strategy, follow your own game plan and take your trades. Don't change your bias or anything just because I'm trading a certain way. Because something that works for you might not work for me, but something that works for me might not work for you. So stick to your own game plan, guys. That's the aim of the game. We can all win. We can all win. Some of us will take losses. Some of us will take wins. But we're all in it together. As long as you're protecting your capital, save your money for another trade, another day. That's what we're talking about. It was a 7RR though. Wow. But do your own research. I'm not home, so didn't really look for entries. I'm done for today. Yeah, London session made everyone's day today. I'm done because fucking everybody made their bloody money in London session, and I fucking sat there missing my fucking trades. Man, I should have got some trading, man. That's so awful of me. Awful. At least even the sell-off. I knew there was going to be a sell-off there. I'm such an idiot. London session made a lot of people happy today. A lot of people happy. Not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm probably gonna give it another 5 more minutes, guys. And then we've been on for an hour and a half, and price action's been shit all that time. So I don't really want to rush and force into any kind of trade. Mario Weiser, it'd be like that. Some days you miss and some days you don't. Yes, 100% right. Exotic Reptile, 300 pips away from my TP, and then I'm done for the day. And we'll put a buy till tomorrow. Excellent. Excellent. Well done. Well done, Exotic Reptiles. Let me see how much money I would have made on this trade if I actually put the entry on. So I had it marked out. I did say there was going to be a sell-off exactly here when I was talking about it. So what the fuck? This is what I done yesterday, guys. So here it says 60 right now. That's 60 micros, but I was on MNQs, so 60 micros is 6 minis. I left it on like this, and then I didn't look at the price, so I was just looking at the targeted areas. So I went there, and then I hit buy or sell, whatever I was doing. I can't remember. Then I realized, oh my god, I had over traded with max size. And then instead of closing the trade from here, I closed the stop loss, and price went boom and just topped me out, fucked all my accounts up. I was upset, but then I thought, fuck it, I'll just have to retrade again and then just pass my challenges again. It's not that hard if you know how to trade. Bashi Trades absolutely 100 I made also, but traded New York with another account. Well done, Bashi Trades. Keep going. Set myself. This would be an entry, but I don't know how market moved past hours. Daddy Trades, was your entry also at 460? Twizzy, I've not made an entry at the moment, but I was looking to. I was saying, okay, there'll definitely be some sort of sell-off here. So if I just look at this, that would have been on about 10 or say, what the fuck's this doing? 15. I would have sold off. Would have done less than that actually. So go 10. I wouldn't want to risk fucking that much on that trade. No. So that would have been have to be 7. So yeah, this is how much I was willing to risk. So roughly around about here. So even then that would have to go a lot less. And then if I took that till there, that was still $798. That still would have done me nicely. Absolutely nicely. Could have just took the trade. It don't fucking matter though. You miss it, you miss it. X11 AXXXXX WTF. What do you mean, my brother? What do you mean? Mario Weiser, that's funny, laugh my ass off. Yeah, bro, it happened, man. Sometimes I click the wrong button too. But clicking the wrong button and fucking oversizing like a motherfucker and accidentally just blowing yourself out is just fucked, isn't it? What are you trading? Bing Mad Magik. Bing Magik. I'm trading MNQ, Nasdaq, US 100, Nasdaq. But guys, that's me done for today. I'm not actually Twizzy. I'm waiting for New York. Twizzy, yeah, go for it, man. Go for it. Twizzy, we were on London session. Loved London session. Absolutely amazing for my guys today. I didn't catch a trade. I wish I took the trade. I didn't catch the trade. But are you trading sideways? Excel, every day. I always trade sideways. Every day I make money sideways. No, look, Excel, just before I go, I don't want to leave you in the dark, and this is what I was looking at. There you go. I wait for price to retrace back up, and that was the 50% area XXL. No, you don't need to say sorry. What for? It's all jokes here. It's all a laugh. Everyone has a laugh and a good time here. Yeah, so I was saying a sell off from this area here would have been good, and that's exactly what I was saying. But the thing is, I don't like price action, the way price was moving. Another sell off that was there like that, and then another sell off there. So yeah, we never trade sideways. We try not to ever trade sideways. Sideways is like it's just no good. I used to trade sideways when I first started. I didn't know where to enter. I used to get bombed out all the time. So anyway, guys, look, I'm gonna love you and I'm gonna leave you. Twizzy, what I was saying, yeah, you carry on holding your trade. Good luck everyone who's trading today. Good luck for the rest of the day. Happy trading. Hope you all get wins. If you get losses, learn by your losses. Yeah. Thoughts on buys? You have to wait for an area of interest to be tapped into to buy. You're currently in a 1 hour fair value gap. Price is actually just bouncing around in that fair value gap. So maybe have a look at market structure and then you can see if you should buy or not. But for right now, guys, I'm going to shoot off. I'm going to see you again tomorrow morning. London session, 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. London session. We have a break and we come back on 12 p.m. Thank you very much, Scholarzy. We come back again 12 p.m. pre-New York session. That's 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 12 p.m. GMT London session. So guys, we do London session 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. have a 2 hour break and then we come back on at 12 p.m. pre-New York session. I didn't get to catch a trade today. I should have just caught this little trade. That would have still been nice, but it doesn't matter. It is what it is. And thank you very much for joining. We didn't actually catch a trade today, so I'll see you guys again tomorrow morning. Yeah, in 2 years we're gonna see Danny and a Lambo. Bro, fuck that. I miss my trades. Surpass yourself. I didn't get your name, man, but this guy, he actually fucking won his trades. He got his trades, and for the past 3 days I've been like missing some trades here and there, and this guy's been catching all the trades. So you might see me in a Lambo in 2 years. We're gonna see you in a Lambo in 6 months, mate. Twizzy. Cool, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Yeah, take care. Go on top. See you later, guys. Love, peace, respect. Thank you. Bye, bro. Bye, Mahat. Bye.